PSC റാങ്കറിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ശനിയാഴ്ച അതായത് 26/4/2025 PSC നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള ജൂനിയർ പബ്ലിക് ഹെൽത്ത് നഴ്സ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 അതുപോലെ ഓക്സിലറി നഴ്സ് മിഡ്വൈഫ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്നീ പരീക്ഷകളുടെ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് വായിക്കാൻ പോണത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരം നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കോർ കമൻസിലിടാൻ. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ഇത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇനി ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഡയറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടെയ്നിങ് ഓവർ 30% ഓഫ് കേസരി ഡാൾ വിൽ റിസൾട്ട് ഇൻ. ബി ആണ് ലാത്രിസം. 2, ഫോളോയിങ് ആർ ദ മിൽക്ക് ബോൺ ഡിസീസസ് എക്സെപ്റ്റ്. എ ആണ് ഡിഫ്തീരിയ. 3, addition of vitamin A to dalda is an example of food fortification. ഇനി 4, vaccination of a portion of population provides protection to unprotected individuals is herd immunity. 5, an epidemic occurring over a very wide area and usually affecting a large number of people is called a pandemic. 6, the number of live births per 1000 estimated mid-year population in a given year is called the birth rate. 7, pernicious anemia is due to the deficiency of vitamin B12. C ആണ്. 8, the national target is to provide 1 trained day per B1000 population. 9, which of the following international health agencies promoted a GOBI campaign? D, UNICEF. 10, Nikshay is a newly launched central government software. It is used for tracking B tuberculosis. 11, Aedes aegypti transmits. C, chikungunya hemorrhagic fever. 12, principles of primary health care includes all except A ആണ് sustainable development. 13, in RMNCH plus a strategy, what is plus A? B ആണ് adolescent health. 14, single massive dose of vitamin A for preventing the deficiency in children between the age of 1 to 6 years for every 6 months is. C ആണ് 2 lakh IU. 15, in pulse polio immunization program VVM to maintain the cold chain, which of the following indication to discard the vaccine is? D, inner square darker than the outer circle. 16, channels of communication includes all except A ആണ് receiver. 17, which method is used for HIV post test counseling? D, individual approach. 18, Hygeia is a Greek word which means a goddess of health. 19, fear of closed space. C ആണ് claustrophobia. 20, all are examples of macronutrients except B, minerals. 21, which of the following body system is related to hormone production? C, endocrine system. 22, fear of gaining weight and significant body image disturbance is C, anorexia nervosa. 23, improper waste disposal leads to C, mosquito-borne disease. 24, birth weight of a normal newborn human baby is B, 2.5 kg to 4 kg. 25, unhygienic water supply leads to C, cholera. 26, which is the biggest organ in the body? B, skin. 27, an example of antipsychotic is B ആണ് haloperidol. 28, beriberi is the deficiency of vitamin B1. A ആണ്. 29, which of the following is not a feature of poor mental health? C, feeling happy. 30, echolalia, which means B, repetition of words of examiner. 31, which is not included in defense mechanism? D ആണ് hypnotism. 32, an example of foodborne disease is C, cholera. 33, which of the following is not a source of protein? D, ghee. 34, all are types of hallucination except D, illusion. 35, time interval between invasion by an infectious agent and appearance of first symptom is termed as B, incubation period. 36, high biological value protein is present in Z, eggs and meat. 37, which among the following is not a live vaccine? D ആണ് rabies vaccine. 38. A male patient aged 45 years complains of urgency of urination and dribbling of urine. What should be the suspected of suffering from? A ആണ് benign prostatic hypertrophy. 39. Acronym FAST is in stroke stands for B. Face, arms, speech, time. 40. Mission Indradhanush by Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare focuses on A. Full immunization for children. 41. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of B vitamin A. 42. Color code of plastic bag for disposing microbial lab culture waste is C. Red. 43. A rapid global outbreak of an infection initiated from a single focus is termed as a pandemic. 44. Which among the following statements is true with tab digoxin? B. Check the pulse rate before taking tab digoxin. 45. Type of illness in which the signs and symptoms occur suddenly and last for a short period of time is called C. Acute. 46. Which among the following drugs is used to prevent transmission of HIV from infected pregnant woman to newborn? A ആണ് nevirapine. 47. Viral test is carried out in the diagnosis of A ആണ് typhoid. 48. Bacterial infection associated with increased risk of peptic ulcer disease is B ആണ് Helicobacter pylori. 49. Drug of choice in the management of organophosphorus poisoning is C. Atropine. 50. Test dose of penicillin is administered through which among the following routes? C ആണ് intradermal. 51. Which among the following manifestation necessitate emergency intervention in a patient with femur fracture? A ആണ് dyspnea. 52. Chest compression to ventilation ratio in one rescuer CPR for children is B. 30:2. 53. Which among the following is the most common cause of pathological fracture in elderly women? C ആണ് osteoporosis. 54. The specimen of urine required for culture and sensitivity test is B ആണ് midstream urine. 55. The major hormone secreted by the corpus luteum in the luteal phase of menstruation is B ആണ് progesterone. 56. The psychological development stage of an adolescent is A. Identify vs role confusion. 57. The National Deworming Day in India is observed on B. February 10th and August 10th. 58. The article of Indian Constitution that provide the right to be protected from hazardous employment till the age of 14 is D. Article 24. 59. The recommended site for the administration of BCG vaccine is B. Left upper arm. 60. The color code given to illness that require urgent pre-referral treatment and referral in the integrated management of newborn and childhood illness is A. Pink. 61. Signs of good attachment of newborn to the breast of the mother. C. Mouth wide open and lower lip turned outward. 62. The malarial parasites are inoculated into human by Anopheles mosquito as A ആണ് sporozoites. 63. The defects seen in tetralogy of Fallot include B. VSD, pulmonary stenosis, overriding of aorta and right ventricular hypertrophy. 64. The second step in baby-friendly hospital initiative is A. Training staff on supporting breastfeeding. 65. The type of play seen in a school-age child is the cooperative play. 66. The expected weight of a 5-year-old child is C. 18 kg. 67. The nutritional disorder due to the deficiency of vitamin C leads to a scurvy. 68. ICM stands for B. International Confederation of Midwives. 69. Breastfeeding should be initiated after a normal delivery within half an hour. A ആണ്. 70. Kangaroo mother care is indicated in C. Low birth weight babies. 71. The job aid to ANMs by providing them with റെഡിലി അവൈലബിൾ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഗൈഡൻസ് ബി ആണ് ANMOL. 72. Neural tube defects in fetus may be prevented by the consumption of the following before or during early pregnancy. D. Folic acid. 73. Fertilization of ovum and sperm occurs in the fallopian tube. 74. A community level strategy for convergent actions for health, early childhood development, nutrition and sanitation. C ആണ് VHSND. 75. MTP Act was passed by the Indian Parliament in 1971. B ആണ്. 76. IUI in infertility treatment refers to intrauterine insemination. 77. Reproductive and child health program services include the following except B. NCD prevention. 78. A terminal method of contraception. A. Vasectomy. 79. Taking up of cervix during labor is termed as B ആണ് effacement. 80. The type of abortion where fetus is dead and retained inside the uterus for a period of time is D. Missed abortion. 81. A positive sign that delivery of placenta is imminent is A. Lengthening of the umbilical cord. 82. Magnesium sulfate is the drug of choice in the management of B. Preeclampsia. 83. A risk factor for cervical cancer is B. HPV infection. 84. The average weight gain in pregnancy is C. 10 to 12 kilogram. 85. Human milk is rich in all nutrients except B. Iron. 86. Baby born with weight more than 4.5 kilogram indicates that mother has B ആണ് gestational diabetes mellitus. 87. A warning sign in pregnancy. A. Blurred vision. 88. The leading cause of maternal mortality in India is C. Postpartum hemorrhage. 89. The term newborn refers to A. Within 28 days of birth. 90. Vaginal discharge within first 3 days of puerperium is termed as C. Lochia rubra. 91. Surakshit Matritwa Ashwasan scheme was launched in the year D. 2019. 92. First dose of injection TT should be taken in pregnancy, preferably in the 3rd to 4th months of pregnancy. 93. The procedure used in shoulder dystocia to ease the delivery of shoulders B ആണ് McRoberts maneuver. 94. Prolonged labor with rupture of membrane is a predisposing cause for D. puerperal sepsis. 95. Which of the following center is the basic institution for rural health care? C. Sub-center. 96. Under the Universal Immunization Program, how many vaccines are provided free of cost against vaccine preventable diseases? C. 12. 97. When should an 97ാമത്തെ ആൻസർ ഡി ആണ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ 14 and 26 വീക്സ് എന്നുള്ളത്. 98 ബി ആണ് ഒബിസിറ്റി. 99 ബി ആണ് 3000. 100ാമത്തെ എ ആണ് കിഷോരി ശക്തി യോജന എന്നുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ശനിയാഴ്ച നടന്ന പരീക്ഷയുടെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്ഷനൊക്കെ ശേഷം ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ PSC പിന്നീട് പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ഇത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.